Yo, what is poppin', y'all? So in this video, I'm gonna be actually going into my vacuum cleaner and taking out all the coins I find one by one, and you're gonna kind of see the nit and grit inside this vacuum cleaner. It's pretty nasty, so go ahead and enjoy the video. All right, you guys, so go ahead and check it out. $11.77. Make sure that you guys go into your vacuum cleaners and get all that coins out. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. You guys all have a good one.